All right, aloha everyone. Welcome to the Typical Hawaiian Cooking Show with myself, Kikomon here, and my special guest again, my brother-in-law, award-winning chef. All right, mahalo for sticking with us on the Cooking Typical Hawaiian Show here. And right now we're moving on to our poke now. What we got here?
All right, so we got some fresh ahi. Right, this is a big eye tuna. Right, nice color, red. Right, so we're just gonna dice it about a 1-inch cube.
That's what our poke means, right? Cubes.
Okay. Marinated fish.
Marinated fish. Alright.
We're gonna start with our dry ingredients. So we have our ahi here. We have some. This is alai salt. This is Hawaiian salt with a little bit of clay. Sesame seeds, some green onion, chili flakes, whatever type of chili flake you have, and some sesame oil. So we're gonna start with some dry ingredients first. The reason why you start with the dry ingredients first is because if you over mix it, it becomes mushy. So you don't want that to happen. You want each cube to be individually coated with all the ingredients. I love green onions.
I hear you on that.
If you guys need a recipe, we'll provide a recipe for you. Chili flake, you can add as much or as little as you want. So I'm gonna mix this first before we add our sesame.
Dry ingredients first, right? Dry ingredients first, because you don't want it to get mushy. Step by step.
And then what will happen with that salt is that it'll dissolve and you might have to adjust the seasoning later on, okay? So next, we're gonna add our sesame oil.
Oh yeah, I love my sesame oil.
And then a little bit of shoyu.
Show you, cooking typical Hawaiian style. Kikomon will show you. Poke action right here, going down.
Mix.
This is how it's done.
It's a real simple style poke. If you want to add some sliced white onion,
Can do.
okay. I like it just like this.
Onion lover.
Some limu, you got some limu, chop it up. Oh,
Limu also, yeah.
typical Hawaiian kind of poke. Let's try it out, man.
Alright, let's try them out. Here's my house.
You gotta have a beer when you have poke.
Oh, gotta have beer and poke. Cheers! My favorite beer. Mahalo for joining us here. Mahalo for being here, my brother-in-law. Big Wave. My favorite beer. Kona Brewing, huh? Big Wave Rider, that's why. Hey, you might be looking for a sponsor, that's something. Beer and poke.
Give this about a shot.
Give this bug a try. Good taste. Let's see. That one. Shigo. Winners. Hey, that was perfect. Perfect. Poke with all that seasoning. That's a good Hawaiian recipe right there for you, poke. By special request. And yeah, check it out. From our viewers from Japan, they requested this dish here. Let us know what else you guys want us to cook or prep or show you guys how it's done here. We got you. Cooking typical Hawaiian style. Alright. Oh, bruh, this poke is winner. I gotta dig back in again. You know what? Honestly, it's very, delicious.
Yeah.
This poke tastes better than any poke that I tasted in the store. So, what's the secret? I mean, everything's pretty simple here,
Yeah,
right?
it's not so much a secret. It's just the freshest of ingredients. So you got fresh ahi, caught here locally.
Okay.
From market to our grocery store, and we buy it probably within 2-3 days of it getting caught. That's what number one.
That's the key. Right
Frozen poke isn't going to be as good as this, but
Right.
fresh when possible. Another thing, I think alai makes a difference between alai and regular akai.
No lie.
No lie, you gotta use alai.
You gotta use alai.
Something about the red clay or red dirt that's in it that just makes it really good.
Okay, the sea salt.
Yeah.
It's,
And if you get specialty, I've made awesome poke with like specialty Hawaiian sea salts. That,
okay.
yeah, from Molokai.
Yeah.
Really
That's
good.
some good sea salt.
That's the thing. Okay, use really good sea salt.
That's the key.
Yeah,
All right,
yeah.
guys. The good poke, fresh. Gotta be fresh.
Where the poke come from? From the sea. So you gotta use the good sea salt.
Exactly. That's what I said on my last show. The sea salt. Keep them typical Hawaiian style.
Typical Hawaiian style. Oh, we're cooking some on no grinds. Yes, we're cooking typical Hawaiian style.